Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best crawfish cooker. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss crawfish cookers which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Stark Deluxe QD Aluminum Crawfish Cooker. If you are going to invest in a crawfish boiler, then why not get one that can offer top-notch versatility? Well, this one can, because it can be used to deep fry meat and fish, while boiling and steaming various sorts of food such as vegetables and seafood. The smart design of the product will always ensure consistent results, which will make it your favorite in no time. It comes with a poultry rack, which includes a convenient loop and ensures even distribution of oil at all times. Moreover, the tool includes various other accessories that will make cooking much easier for you. It comes with a thermometer that gives a measurement within 50 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, a marinade injector and a clip that can be secured to the side of the pot. One of the major drawbacks of this product is that it doesn't include an instruction manual. As a result, you will have a difficult time assembling it. Moreover, the coating of the stand may come off quickly, so be cautious when using it. Pros. Can be used to deep fry and steam as well. Ensures consistent results with poultry rack and loop. Includes a thermometer, a marinade injector and a clip. Cons. Does not include an instruction manual. Number 2. King Kooker Crawfish Cooker. Are you looking for a crawfish boiler that is easy to use as well as effortless to assemble? In that case, look no further, because you have come across the perfect product for yourself. Find out more about its amazing aspects in this review. When it comes to durability, this product will surely exceed your expectations, because it will last longer than you can think. This welded cooker has been constructed using heavy-duty materials, which will ensure durability like no other. But in terms of power, this product doesn't fall behind either. It comes with a cast burner that delivers a heat output of 33,000 BTU. Hence, you can expect the boiler to keep up with the instructions of your recipe without any hassle whatsoever. What makes the product even better is that it prioritizes your safety as well. For that, it comes with a heat-resistant handle. So even if you touch the handle carelessly, you won't have to worry about burning your hands accidentally. Pros. Easy to use and effortless to assemble. Welded aluminum cooker is long-lasting. The cast burner delivers a heat output of 33,000 BTU. Cons. Can get dented easily. Number 3. Bayou Classic KDS182 Crawfish Cooker. If you want a boiler that will be suitable for backyard parties, camps, RVs, parks and a lot more, then here's a product you should definitely check out. This boiler comes with multiple other facilities that will make it your favorite in no time. Are you worried about whether or not this boiler will deliver enough power? Well, stop fretting right away because it comes with a heat output of 106,000 BTU, which is sufficient enough to cook huge amounts of crawfish in one go. Moreover, the large capacity of the tool also makes it convenient to boil tons of crawfish without any hassle. Its 82 quarts of capacity will allow you to cook at least 35 to 40 pounds of food, which is a lot more than what its counterparts have to offer. What makes the boiler even better is that it can cook other sorts of food as well. For instance, it is suitable for boiling seafood, peanuts, corn, gumbo, vegetables, etc. This aspect of the tool makes it rather versatile. The product comes with a lot of wrong specifications, such as its heat output, which can mislead a lot of its users. Moreover, the bottom of the pot can blacken pretty easily, so you will have to use it as cautiously as possible. Pros. Comes with a heat output of 106,000 BTU. Offers a large capacity of 82 quarts. Made of stainless steel for more longevity. Cons. The bottom of the pot can blacken pretty easily. Number 4. Creole Feast SBK0801 Seafood Boiling Kit. Creole Feast SBK0801 Seafood Boiling Kit is a great product for those who want to enjoy boiled crawfish, crabs, and shrimp. It includes a large boiling pot, burner, and seafood baskets. The seafood boiling kit also has a steamer tray that can be used to steam vegetables. The large boiling pot can accommodate up to 8 quarts of water, which is enough to boil 2 to 3 pounds of crawfish. The kit includes a 12-quart aluminum pot, a strainer basket, a burner stand, and an 8-foot propane hose. It also comes with a recipe booklet. This product is easy to use and clean. The burner stand is made of heavy-duty steel and is powder-coated for durability. It has an 8-foot hose that is UL listed and has a regulator. The pot is made of aluminum and is 12 quarts. It has a strainer basket that is removable. The pot also comes with a lid. This product is easy to assemble and use. It is also easy to clean. Pros: the material is aluminum and stainless steel. Dishwasher safe. Can be used over an open flame or on the stovetop to boil your seafood in minutes. Cons: you have to turn it upside down for some food to fit inside. Number 5. Loco Cooker's Boiling Kit for Crawfish. It can be quite frustrating to use crawfish boilers if you have a tough time cleaning them. However, that is not an issue you will face with this tool, because it has been designed in such a way that you will find it absolutely effortless to clean after your cooking sessions. With this boiler, you will be able to cook large amounts of food at once, thanks to its huge capacity. The outdoor boiling and cooking kit has been designed to cook about 40 pounds of crawfish, and comes with a capacity of 80 quarts. You will find this device quite convenient to use, even more so than its counterparts. It comes with a twist and drain technology, which will allow the basket to rest in place, following simple and hands-free draining. Hence, you won't have to take any extra hassle. On the other hand, you won't have to worry about replacing the product anytime soon, because it comes with 2 stainless steel burners. The benefit of this material is that it will provide more longevity and will heat up easily. Pros: designed to provide effortless cleaning. Capacity of 80 quarts and can cook up to 40 pounds of crawfish. Comes with a twist and drain technology. Cons: the pot may start leaking after a few uses. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.